Slow cooking is one of the easiest and most delicious ways to prepare meals, and with so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why in this video, we've rounded up the best slow cookers of 2025, whether you're cooking for yourself, a family, or hosting a get-together. From compact designs perfect for everyday use to feature-packed cookers built for convenience and flavor, we've reviewed top-rated models to help you find exactly what you need. We'll go over performance, ease of cleaning, durability, and value, everything that matters most when choosing your next kitchen essential. Stick around and see which slow cooker is the best fit for your lifestyle. If you love hosting parties, family gatherings, or holiday dinners, the Sunvivi Triple Slow Cooker and Buffet Server is an absolute game changer for your kitchen. With 3 separate 1.5-quart mini pots, you can prepare and serve multiple dishes at once. Think dips, appetizers, soups, or even 3 types of entrees, all warm, fresh, and ready to enjoy. This all-in-one food warmer is perfect for entertaining, letting your guests serve themselves while you relax and enjoy the moment. Each pot has its own adjustable temperature control, so you can keep everything at just the right heat, from a gentle warm to a hearty simmer. The stainless steel build gives it a sleek, modern look that matches any kitchen or buffet table, while the 3 visible glass lids let you and your guests see what's inside without lifting them, keeping the heat in and the mess out. Cleanup is just as convenient, with removable stoneware pots that are easy to wash and durable enough to last. Whether you're serving chili, queso, pulled pork, or desserts, this slow cooker set keeps everything hot and delicious from the first guest to the last bite. If you're ready to upgrade your hosting game and make mealtime easier, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Scroll down to the video description and click the link to order your Sunvivi Triple Slow Cooker today. It's a must-have for anyone who loves to entertain or simply enjoys variety at dinner. Easy to use, beautifully designed, and built to impress. Grab yours now and take your party to the next level. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and stylish kitchen appliance that takes the stress out of cooking, the KOOC Small Slow Cooker is the perfect choice. With its 2-quart capacity, it's ideal for small households, couples, or anyone who wants to make healthy, home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. The upgraded ceramic pot ensures even heat distribution and preserves the flavor and nutrients in your food, while the adjustable temperature settings give you full control over the cooking process. Whether you're preparing soups, stews, chili, or even desserts, this slow cooker handles it all with ease. One of the standout features of the KOOC slow cooker is the inclusion of free disposable liners, which means cleanup is a breeze. Just lift out the liner after cooking, and you're done, no more soaking or scrubbing. The pink stainless steel design adds a charming touch to your kitchen, combining functionality with a modern, stylish look. It's compact enough to fit on any countertop, yet powerful enough to deliver consistently delicious results every time. And thanks to its low-temperature cooking method, it reduces nutrient loss, helping you and your family eat healthier meals effortlessly. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine and add a reliable, attractive appliance to your kitchen, this is the one to get. Just scroll down to the video description below and click the link to grab your KOOC Small Slow Cooker today. It's quick, easy, and secure, and with all the convenience it offers, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Don't miss out, get yours now and enjoy delicious, hassle-free meals every day. If you're looking for a reliable, compact, and stylish slow cooker that makes everyday cooking easier, the Hanmo 2QT Small Slow Cooker is just what you need. Whether you're making rich sauces, hearty stews, creamy dips, or tender meat dishes, this slow cooker does it all, slow and steady to bring out deep, delicious flavors. Its 2-quart size is perfect for small families, individuals, or anyone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle. The upgraded ceramic pot ensures even heating and helps lock in flavor and nutrients, making every bite wholesome and satisfying. The 3 adjustable temperature settings, low, high, and keep warm, give you total control over your cooking, so you can prep in the morning and come home to a ready-to-serve meal. The blue stainless steel exterior not only looks great on your countertop but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. And when the meal is done, Cleanup is incredibly easy thanks to the removable ceramic insert and dishwasher safe parts. Plus, the design helps reduce nutrient loss, so you can feel good about every dish you make, knowing you're cooking healthy and delicious meals for yourself or your loved ones. Ready to bring home this kitchen essential? Just scroll down to the video description and click the link to grab your Hanmo 2QT slow cooker today. It's the perfect blend of convenience, style, and performance, ideal for everyday use or gifting to someone who loves to cook. Don't wait, make mealtime simpler and tastier with the Hanmo slow cooker. Order now and enjoy easy, nutritious cooking at your fingertips. If you're cooking for a big family or love hosting gatherings, the N61NA 7-quart non-stick slow cooker is a must-have kitchen companion. Designed with both convenience and performance in mind, this large-capacity slow cooker makes it easy to prepare hearty, flavorful meals with minimal effort. Whether you're making a pot roast, chili, soups, stews, or even a crowd-pleasing dip for game day, this cooker has the space and power to handle it all. The PFOA-free ceramic-coated pot ensures your meals are cooked evenly and safely, without any harmful chemicals. Plus, it's completely non-stick, so food slides out effortlessly and cleanup is a breeze. With 3 heat settings, low, high, and keep warm, and a built-in timer function, you can truly set it and forget it. Just add your ingredients, choose your settings, and let the slow cooker do the rest. The removable pot is oven-safe and dishwasher-safe, giving you even more versatility and ease when it comes to cooking and cleaning. Whether you're making a simple weeknight dinner or a special dish for a holiday feast, the N61NA makes it stress-free and delicious every time. And with its sleek, modern design, it looks great on any kitchen counter or buffet table. Ready to take your home cooking to the next level? Scroll down to the video description and click the link to order your N61NA 7-quart non-stick slow cooker from the Audica store today. It's the perfect solution for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants big flavor without spending hours in the kitchen. Don't miss out, grab yours now and enjoy effortless cooking like never before. If you're someone who loves slow cooking but dreads the cleanup, or if you want to cook multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors, then the Chef-Aid Slow Cooker Divider Liners are a total game changer. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, these reusable liners are designed to perfectly fit 6 to 8 quart oval or round slow cookers, including the popular 7-quart crockpot models. The smart divider design allows you to cook 2 separate dishes at the same time, like a savory stew on one side and a creamy dip on the other, without any mixing or mess. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, catering to different tastes, or hosting a get-together, these liners make it easier and more efficient than ever. Not only are they eco-friendly and reusable, but they're also heat-resistant, BPA-free, and incredibly durable. The built-in handles make it easy to lift the liners out when cooking is done, so you never have to scoop or struggle. And best of all, cleanup is nearly effortless. No more scrubbing your slow cooker pot for hours. Just remove the liner, rinse, or pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. Plus, their sleek black design looks clean and modern, and they fold flat for easy storage when not in use. If you're ready to simplify your slow cooking and maximize your kitchen efficiency, don't wait, scroll down to the video description and click the link to order your Chef-Aid Slow Cooker Divider Liners today. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in how you cook, clean, and enjoy your meals. Durable, practical, and perfect for busy households. Grab your 2-pack now and make slow cooking even smarter.